Located in a restored Baptist church house, in the heart of Bloomsbury's historic Holborn, Loscar London is a small hotel located within 500 metres of British Museum and 601 metres of Theater Royal Drury Lane. Designed by the world-renowned Parisian decorateur, Jacques Garcia, the hotel features 39 bedrooms, 2 restaurants and a bar. The rooms come with a flat-screen TV, a desk, a seating area and a private bathroom. All rooms have air conditioning and complimentary Wi-Fi access. A la carte and full English breakfast options are available each morning at Loscar London. Royal Opera House is 601 metres from the accommodations, while Lyceum Theater is 701 metres away. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 7.5 miles from the property. Camden is a great choice for travellers interested in theatre, shopping and sightseeing. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.